Welcome back all of you to the channel Psychoprofessor English. So now you all will be waiting for your UGC NET 23 result. At the same time, there are people who will be preparing for UGC NET December 2023. Right? So let's start today's video as you have already read in the thumbnail. So we will be starting with the PYQ solved paper of your June 2023 examination. First of all, we will be solving June 2023 paper, then we will move on to March 23 paper, right? So if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then please like the video, and if you have anything else, you can comment down below. Thank you, and let's start the video. So first of all, first question first. Late adulthood often involves a gradual withdrawal from the world on physical, psychological, and social levels. Which theory supports this? They have given the options as disengagement theory, activity theory, number 3 continuity theory, and number 4 selective isolation theory. First of all, the option number 4 is the odd one out. It has no relation with the question asked above. And apart from that, these all theories, disengagement theory, activity theory, continuity theory, has its roots from aging. These are all are psychosocial theories on aging. These all theories, disengagement theory, activity theory, and continuity theory, is related with aging, that how people develop when they are aging. And these all three are related with your gerontology as well, which describes as the study of the social aspect, the psychological aspect, as well as the biological aspect of aging. So this similar question, the options were asked in GATE 2023 examination as well. So if you have not yet watched the video, you can watch down from the description as well, right? Okay, so let's coming back to the question. This is the disengagement theory given by Cumming and Henry in 1961, right? So they gave this theory disengagement in 1961, and this is the correct answer over here. Late adulthood often involves a gradual withdrawal from the world on physical, psychological, and social levels. Which theory supports this? This theory is supported by, this statement is supported by disengagement theory. And this disengagement theory was the very first theory to be developed by the social scientists on aging. Okay, and this activity theory and continuity theory are more or less similar to each other, where continuity theory states that people in the old age used to do same things they have been doing so far in their life. All right, so what are they doing from their birth to their adulthood to their old age? They keep on doing the same thing. This is called as the continuity theory, and the addition of this continuity theory is the activity theory. So in active, according to activity theory, they like to engage socially, and they want to do more activities, more involved in social gatherings, so that they age quite slowly as compared to this disengagement or continuity theory. All right, so this is the correct answer over here, option number 1, disengagement theory. Let's move on to the next question. This is question number 2. This amazing question from sequentially arrange the sections of the vertebrae of the spinal column from top to bottom. Top to bottom approach they have asked, and what should be the right over here? It should be option number 2, CADB. This is not cervical, it is cervical. Then we have thoracic, thoracic. Then we have lumbar, and then we have sacral, and then we have a little coccygeal segment as well. So this is the right order from top to bottom. The cervical, C, the thoracic, A, the lumbar region, D, and then the sacral, B. CADB, option number 2 is the correct answer over here. And you can remember the mnemonic as well, CTLSC. CTLSC. These having 8 nerves, these having 12, these having 5, these sacral also having 5, and then this segment having 1. Right? So option number 2 is the correct answer over here. Let's move ahead to the next question. Next question number 3, which of the following is true about phoneme? Very simple question. It refers to the disrupted language of a patient with aphasia. Every language has its own set of phonemes. A phenomena is a category of speech sound. A phenomena of phoneme. It is the smallest unit of language that carries meaning. What should be the correct answer over here? It should be option number 3, B and C. So this is a spelling mistake. A phonema is a category of speech sound. Which is phoneme. A phoneme is a category of speech sounds. Every language has its own set of phonemes. So option number B and option number C. So option number 3 is the correct answer over here. It is the smallest unit of language that carries meaning. No phoneme doesn't carry the meaning. It carries the sound. Alright, option number 3 is the correct answer over here, B and C. Let's move ahead to the next question. Which of the following should be assured before going for parametric analysis of variance, NOVA, independence of scores of the subjects, categorical dependent variable, random assignment of subjects to the treatments, homogeneity of variance of the subject score? The correct answer over it should be option number C, A, C, and D. There should be independence of scores of the subject, random assignment of subject to the treatment should be there, as well as homogeneity of variance of the subject scores. So option number 3, A, C, D is the correct answer. Here we are having question number 5. Conflicts are readily kindled and fueled by competition, conciliation, cooperation, misperception, and social dilemmas. Welcome to Muzaffar Sharif zone. We are having competition, we have conflict, we have misperception, we are having a conflict, and we have a social dilemma, we are having a conflict. So option number A, D, and E. Option number 4 is the correct answer over here. A, D, E will be the correct answer over here. Alright. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Which therapeutic approach to counseling is based on the premise you are the architect of your life? Gestalt, existential, Adlerian, or reality? The correct answer over here should be option number 2, existential. Existential is the correct answer. Reality, maybe, but not. They have given the answer as existential. Alright, so this will be the correct answer as per NTA for your December 2023 examination. So if this question repeats, you will be going with the existentialist approach as well. Next question, question number 7. Simple skills develop in infants separately and independently and later develop into more complex skills. Which governing principle of growth is applied here? What should be the correct answer over here? It should be option number not 1, not 2, not 4. It should be option number 3, principle of hierarchical integration. This is the same statement. Proximodistal encephalocaudal. This is from CNS to peripheries. The proximodistal and cephalocaudal from head to toe. As we all know, head to toe. Cephalocaudal principle. So 1 and 2 goes out, and this is the correct answer over here. Option number 3, principle of hierarchical integration. Simple skills develop in infants separately and independently and later develop into more complex skills. Alright. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Which of the following behaviors is not a stage of observational learning? By Albert Bandura. Be motivated to reproduce the behavior. This is correct. Remember what was observed. Correct. Exploring the environment. Pay attention to the model's behavior. Correct. Exploring the environment was never been an option apart from NTA in Bandura's case. Alright. So option number 3 is the correct answer over here. There is nothing to do with the exploring the environment or environment, nothing to do with the environment over here. Alright. So option number 3 is the correct answer of your question number 8. Let's move on to the next question. Next question, there are three types of postmodern therapies. Three types of postmodern therapies. Which out of the following is not a part of postmodern therapy? Solution focused, field based, narrative therapy, or collaborative therapy? What will be the correct answer over here? Option number 2, field based therapy will be the correct answer over here. Solution based, narrative therapy, collaborative therapy, you should note down it is in the postmodern therapies, three types of postmodern therapies. Solution focused, narrative, and collaborative field based therapy is not a part of postmodern therapy. Please note it down, it might come again in December 23 or maybe June 24. Right. So moving on to next question, question number 10.